Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your currency on the Monefy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on settings. Go to the general settings section and tap on currency. Here if you scroll down you're going to see all of the available options, and you have a bunch of options that you can choose from, so tap on the relevant one, and after selecting the relevant one, as you can see, the main currency has been updated, so you are going to see all of your expenses and financial entries in that particular currency that you have just chosen. So feel free to change it anytime by going back to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.